Many people think you need to be rich to invest. But what if I told you that even $10 a month could change your financial future? In this video, I'm going to walk you through exactly how to get started with investing, even if you're broke or just starting out. Whether you're a student, a young professional, or just curious, this is the video for you. Let's talk about compound interest. Albert Einstein reportedly called it the eighth wonder of the world. Why? Because it rewards consistency and time more than anything else. If you invest $10 a week with an 8% return, in 30 years that turns into $52,000, from just $15,600 invested. So the key takeaway: start now, not later. Myth 1. You need a lot of money. False. You can start with $1 on some platforms. Myth 2. You need to be an expert. Wrong again. Most apps are beginner friendly. Myth 3. Investing is risky. Sure, there's risk, but not investing is also risky. You lose money to inflation. Fear is often the biggest thing holding people back. But knowledge removes fear. You only need 3 things. 1. A small amount of money, even $10. 2. A smartphone or laptop. 3. Access to a reliable investing platform. That's it. No need for a suit, a broker, or even a bank appointment. Here are some great apps to get started. Peaks automatically invests your spare change or set monthly amounts. Bucks Zero, commission-free and beginner-friendly, ideal for ETFs. Trading 212 allows fractional shares and has great tools for learning. eToro, social investing, copy experienced investors. Revolut has simple investing options if you already use it for banking. Bitvavo, a Dutch crypto exchange that's easy to use and perfect if you want to start with small amounts in Bitcoin or Ethereum. You can start with as little as €10, and it's one of the lowest fee platforms in Europe. By the way, if you want to get started with Bitvavo, I've added my referral link in the description. When you sign up through it, you pay no trading fees up to €1,000 for the first 7 days. It's a great way to test it out risk-free. Most of these apps let you start with €1 to €10. You want something safe, easy to understand, and reliable. That's where ETFs come in. They're like a basket of stocks. My favorites for beginners: S&P 500 ETF, exposure to 500 major US companies. MSCI World ETF, diversified globally, very stable long-term. All world ETFs include both developed and emerging markets. These are low maintenance and perfect for long-term growth. The best strategy? Monthly investing. It's called dollar cost averaging or euro cost averaging. Instead of trying to time the market, you just invest regularly, no matter the price. This builds discipline and smooths out risk over time. Let's say you invest €25 a month into an ETF with an average 8% return. After 10 years, that's about €4,500. After 20 years, around €12,000. And after 30 years, €28,000 plus. And that's from just €25 per month. If you can slowly increase your amount, let's say €50 or €100 per month, the numbers get crazy. Start now, not later. Automate your investing so you never forget. Reinvest your dividends, let your money snowball. Avoid panic. Don't sell when the market dips. If you can't invest €50 or even €25, that's okay. Start with €5. Investing small amounts consistently is still better than waiting to invest larger amounts later. Even just building the habit is valuable. And over time, your income may increase, and so can your investments. If I had to start from scratch, I'd do this. 1. Open an account on Peaks or Bucks Zero. 2. Set up €10 per month into an MSCI World ETF. 3. Forget about it and check once a year. That's the kind of low-stress strategy that actually works long-term. So, can you start investing with just €10? Absolutely. Should you start today? 100% yes. And in my next video, I'll break down exactly which ETFs and platforms I personally recommend and why. Subscribe so you don't miss it. Let me know in the comments, how much do you want to start investing with? Thanks for watching, and remember, Wealth isn't built overnight, it's a marathon, not a sprint.